Hey everyone, welcome to the Introspective Detective channel. My name is Alan Ray, and on this channel we explore life and the human experience through the lens of spirituality. In this video, we're going to examine the question, how can I get out of a bad mood quickly? Whenever we encounter a challenge in life, whether it be minor or major, it's an opportunity for growth, an opportunity to empower ourselves. In these moments, if we listen to anger, fear, frustration, and their ilk, we miss the reason why this circumstance has occurred. If we look again with truth and internal acceptance, we begin to see a different picture unfold. So rather than give in to negativity, which is essentially internal self-abuse, we're going to try a different mental process in this instance, and that is emotional alchemy. When we hear the word alchemy, most of us probably think of some dusty old wizard attempting to transmute metal into gold. For me personally, that image is probably of Gargamel from the Smurfs. But what we're referring to is our internal ability to alter our emotional state, to transform our feelings from negative to positive. So the immediate fix, if you're seeking to alter your bad mood, is to go within and let go. Let go of the thoughts that you keep replaying over and over again in your head, which are creating the negative feelings you're experiencing. If they continue to resurface, continue to let go. It doesn't matter if your thoughts on the matter seem to be valid. Your challenge here in this instance is to care more about how you feel. And as a quick side note, if you find that your mental chatter is more than you can bear, if you can't seem to get a grip on it, that's your internal indicator that the mind is overstimulated and needs the calming that meditation provides. However, continue to let go of what feels negative as you move yourself toward a better feeling place inside. Decide that you want to feel better. There's a letting go that occurs in the acceptance of that idea, and then simply grant yourself permission to do so. Now, in terms of a long-term fix, explore the concept of self-love, and I'll post a link above to a video I've created on this topic. Again, this is another idea that can be incredibly empowering. When we practice self-love, we care deeply about our internal state. We're less likely to succumb to anger, fear, frustration, and so on. And we don't give up our happiness very easily. As a result of these shifts, experiences such as a bad mood become less and less a part of our experience. The problem just sort of resolves itself because you've dealt with it on that deeper level. The last thing I want to leave you with is reason, an explanation of sorts. What is the reason these things occur? Why, as human beings, do we struggle with feeling negative at times? In this case, we've used the term a bad mood. When we go within and we attempt to view our experiences through the lens of truth, we find that although we tend to label an uncomfortable experience as negative in nature, the big guy upstairs provides this backdrop for our spiritual growth. So in this instance, ask yourself, would you have otherwise had the opportunity to learn these new skills of emotional alchemy and self-love without these seemingly negative surroundings? If you found the information in this video to contain value, please click the like button and be sure to subscribe as well for future content. What tips and tricks do you have for others that struggle to get out of a bad mood? Is there something specific in this area that you struggle with? How have these strategies delineated here worked for you? Please post your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember that whatever you're struggling with will pass. It's here for a reason, and that reason can become clear by going within. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon in the next video.